this is 27-B, another oral reading. Okay, so dear Madam, are you making plans for a vacation in June or July? Question mark. If you are, the attached pamphlet listing the finest vacation hotels in the West will help you with your planning. Paragraph. In all of these hotels, you can get a fine room for as little as $50 a day, which includes 3 meals a day. Paragraph. Before you make a final selection of a vacation hotel, why not stop in at the National Travel Agency, period. We have 10 efficient people on our staff who will help you select a vacation hotel that will provide you with the greatest pleasure at the lowest cost. Period. Sincerely yours. Okay, so that's the end of lesson 27-B. Okay, so hope you like it. My very simple tutorial. So please click the like, subscribe, and bell button for the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.